All right, I'm doing a David Freiberger here. And, you know, he's got a saying, something like, don't get it perfect, just get it running, or something like that. Which I think is great advice for me, because every time I take something apart, it ends up like this, you know? And it's like, what am I gonna do? Take this thing down to the last bolt? I mean, sure, I did, I guess, or I'm getting there. But it doesn't have to be that way. Like this truck here, I just want to drive it, and I want it to be weatherproof and reliable, start right up. So I rebuilt the carb, you know, got the accelerator pump working again, just all those little things. And then I can drive it, you know, when it's not wintertime, because this is the Northeast and they put salt on the roads. So we park stuff like this because the salt just eats it up. So anyway, part of what I'm doing here, I've got holes in the bed. Like, this is not a project I have any interest in, like, anytime soon. Pulling off all these strips and getting a wood kit and the whole 9 yards. So I'm just putting some CDX over it. Got some pieces right here I'm gonna do in the corners, and that'll be good enough. It'll get me through whatever I'm doing. And whenever I'm ready to replace this wood or do something more involved with this truck, I can. But until then, you know, it's better than it was. I am here once again to tell you that it is currently 90 degrees in my garage. It's not even noon yet. Just like laying a subfloor. Gotta get your seams tight, right? This, plenty good enough. Don't even worry. If somebody tells you it's not, well, who cares what they think, right? I'm just using some backer board screws. I don't think they're really that, like, exterior grade, but they do stand up to moisture, because usually you put thin set right over the top of those, and they're only 1.25 inches long, which is about all I need. That's a 1/2 inch plywood or so, 7/16. I think those boards are around 5/4 thick, aren't they? It'll be good. Many of my screws have hit nothing. This is kind of like a turning into a show about home remodeling. I'm not sure why I'm putting so many screws in this, but I guess because it's fun. Oh, that did something. Be nice if this would do something. It didn't. Probably where the hole is. What can you do? That hit nothing. Isn't that good? I feel so much better about all this. I should have done this years ago.